Joe's annual income has been increasing each year by the same dollar amount. The first year, his income was $23,600. In the 12th year, his income was $32,400. In which year was his income $36,400? So the first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to use the general expression for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence, because we know that the first term is $23,600. We know that the 12th term is $32,400. So the first thing we need to do is find out what the common difference is. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use this formula. So we know what a subscript n is, we know what the first term is, and we know what n is, but we're looking for d. So we know that the 12th term is going to be $32,400. That means n is going to equal 12, and we know that the first term is $23,600, and we're looking for d. So now we're going to substitute the 12th term, to be $32,400, which is equal to $23,600, plus, well, 12 minus 1 is 11, so that's 11 times d. Now we're going to subtract 23,600 to both sides. So therefore we get 8,800, which is equal to 11d. Now we're going to divide both sides by 11, and that tells us that the common difference is going to be 800. So now we want to answer the question, in which year was his income $36,400? Now, again, we know that 800 is the amount by which Juan's income increased each year, since that's the common difference. Now, to find the year in which his income was $36,400, we know that the first term, again, is $23,600. We know that a subscript n is going to be $36,400. We know now that the common difference is 800. But now we want to look around, find out what n is, because n is going to represent that year that we want to find out when it's $36,400. So, again, using the formula for the arithmetic sequence, we know that the nth term is $36,400, which is equal to the first term, which is $23,600. We're looking for n, so n is going to be the unknown, minus 1 times the common difference of 800. So now what we're going to do is we distribute the 800 to both terms. So now we have 36,400, which is equal to 23,600, plus 800n minus 800. Now we're going to combine like terms, so we know 23,600 minus 800 is going to give us 22,800, plus 800n, which is equal to 36,400. Now in order to isolate and solve for n, we're going to subtract both sides by 22,800. So doing that, we end up getting 13,600, which is equal to 800n. Divide both sides by 800, and we see that we get n is equal to 17. Therefore, we would say that Joe's income will be $36,400 in the 17th year.